NASA's Unexplained Files. Corona mass ejection CMEs are large expulsion of plasma and magnetic field from the sun's corona. They can eject billions of tons of coronal material and carry an embedded magnetic field frozen in plaques. That is stronger than the background solar wind interplanetary magnetic field, IMF. CME are powerful eruptions on the sun's surface, caused by instabilities in the sun's magnetic field. They can launch a billion tons of superheated gas into space. The effects of corona mass ejections. If Earth happens to be in the path of a CME, the charged particles can alarm into our atmosphere, disrupt satellite in orbit, and even cause them to fall and battle high-flying airplanes with radiation. They can disrupt telecommunications and navigation system. How big is corona mass ejection? CME are very large and dynamic structures that they contain more than 10 raised in power 15 grams of solar material. They can have a radial size of 0.25 astronomical unit, AU 37 million kilometer or 23 million miles, when they pass from the Earth 93 million miles from the Sun. If CME hit the Earth, what will happen? It causes the shock wave of traveling mass causes a geomagnetic storm that may disrupt Earth's magnetosphere, compressing it on the day side, extending the night side magnetic tail. This is me, Ronald Dan, the initiator of XTS Core Cable and Satellite Company. My real name is Roland P. Arayata of Siargao, Philippines. Authentic news as NASA's Unexplained Files. The day of September 6, 2018, in New Mexico, which the special SWAT team is that to raid an astronomical observatory. The Sunspot Solar Observatory. Government agents shut down the observatory, which accusing the employees of this observatory misusing of internet. They found something. There's some wild theories. The charting of solar activity, well as known as certain from solar activity can affect life on Earth, such as bursts of solar radiation, known as corona mass ejection. It is called red giant, the sun, not just provide as a light as Hakim Odyssey astrophysicists once the temperature in the core of the sun reaches 100 million degrees, the helium will be ignited, the sun will expand drastically and suddenly. Sun is the power life giver. Sun, like stars in the universe elsewhere, acts erratically and suddenly. Astronomers says constantly, currently stable and believe it is so even say so many billion years pass by. Lee Billings, scientist, journalist. He is stressing out as sun is one of the most dangerous things in solar system. We still don't know everything about it. As I'm the initiator of this current satellite cable, XTS Core Cable and Satellite Company, I'm Ron Ardan. Let us share the red giant, the sun, in cosmos, which mostly if there's inaccurate or false information about sun, seemingly thought by many people there will be a holocaust, a query by everyone. It is the beginning and end of the solar system. As genuine views about why did FBI raid the solar observatory? My real name is Roland P. Arayata of Siargao, Philippines, as NASA's Unexplained Files.